So this is of the form a square minus b square b. A minus b. So a plus b, a minus b. We complete a, b, then a, b. So take 5 inside, 10a minus 5b plus 9b. 10a minus 5b plus 9b bracket 10a minus 5b minus 9b. Here plus 9b, here minus 9b. That is only the difference. So equal to 10a minus 5b plus 9b plus 4b. Then 10a minus 5b minus 9b minus 14b. So 5a minus 7b. So equal to 2 2s are 4, 5a minus 2b, 5a minus 7b. Now question number 6, 50a cube minus 2a. So take 2 common, a also common. So 25a square. So a cube we have taken a common. So remaining a square. Then minus 1 because 2a is 1 into 2a. 2a we have taken outside. So remaining 1. 1 can be written as 1 square. So equal to 2a. This 25 can be written as 5a the whole square. Then minus 1 square equal to 2a. And again this is of the form 5a. Then b equal to 1. So what is the formula? So what is a? A equal to 5a. So 5a plus 1, 5a minus 1. So answer 2a bracket 5a plus 1, then 5a minus 1. Here which you can take common, b inge b cube. So take b common. So inside 4a square, b we have taken outside, minus 9b squared. So equal to 4a squared can be written as 2a the whole square minus 3b the whole square. So this a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. So that's all the answer. Now question number 8, 3a power 5 108 a cube. Take 3 common, a cube also common. So inside 1 a square, a cube into a square a power 5 minus 36, because 108 can be written as 36 into 3. And a cube we have taken outside, so simply 36 only. So equal to 3a cube a squared minus 6 squared b. So 3a cube a plus b into a minus b. So a plus 6 a minus 6. Thank you. So now question number 9 is equal to 3 bracket a minus 2 whole square, because 9 can be written as 3 square. Then minus 4 bracket a plus 2 the whole square. The whole square ஓலா வெளியில் வந்துடணும். So this is of the form a squared minus b squared. Even you can take 3 inside. So 3a minus 6, 3a minus 6 the whole square minus 4a plus 8 the whole square. Now it is of the form a square minus b square. So in the place of a, 3a minus 6, a plus b into a minus b. So a equal to 3a minus 6, then b equal to 4a plus 8. So a plus b, then a minus b. When you write minus, definitely you have to put the bracket 4a plus 8. 3a plus 4a, 7a. 7a plus 8 minus 6, 2. Then bracket 3a minus 6 minus 4a minus 8. So equal to 7a plus 2, 3a minus 4a minus a, minus 6 minus 8 minus 14. So equal to, you can take minus common. So a plus 14, then 7a plus 2.